Back in beautiful Montague, Michigan at the Montague Artisan Market. Today we are going to use some of our gourmet mushrooms. And as you can see how they're curled up, these actually went a little long. No worries, I'm gonna make gourmet mushroom smash burgers with them. Warning, this is not a vegan recipe. This is an actual meat with mushrooms recipe. So let's go ahead and get started. First off, we gotta go ahead and start grilling our mushrooms first. These are gonna take longer than the burger, believe it or not. So I'm just gonna grab some of the oil that's already on my grill. And I'm gonna go ahead and get those cooking. Now in true fashion, to make a real gourmet mushroom smash burger, you gotta have a smash burger. And to do that, we're not gonna ball up our meat like making a traditional patty. We're just gonna grab a clump, throw it right on, grab a piece of our parchment paper. And the key to success with this is an actual heavy weight to smash it down. We're gonna smash it down for 10 seconds. Now I like to slowly peel that back. Look at that burger. Now we're just gonna do a little bit of seasoning, very light, very light. And I'm gonna set a 1 minute and 40-second timer. Hey Siri, set a 1 minute 40-second timer. Now I'm gonna flip my oysters, make sure these guys are doing all good. Just add a little oil to them. A little more oil. Let those guys cook up. And while that's doing its thing, I'm gonna get my bun ready. So we like to put a little bit of oil on our buns like so, and just grill that bun up real nice for our customer. And then I'm gonna go back to flipping my mushrooms. I wanna make sure that moisture comes out, and then I'm gonna sear them down real nice. So I'm not going for sauteed mushrooms. I want a finished seared product, all right? We're just gonna squeeze all that moisture out as soon as that mushroom starts to release the moisture. Like so. I'm gonna flip it over, and we're gonna do the exact same thing. Squeeze out all that moisture. Get a good sear. You almost want a crunch on the burger. You don't want it too slimy or nothing like that. Woo! My timer's going off. That means it's time to flip our burger and get some cheese on it. Now we're gonna set a 30-second timer, and this bad boy is finished. Hey Siri, set a 30-second timer. Hey guys, we got our bun nice and toasted. We got our romaine lettuce, we have our onion and our tomato. Now we're about to go ahead and take our burger off and just place it right on top. And now I'm gonna grab my tongs and just flip those guys one last time. I told you they were gonna take longer than the actual burger, but I'm loving how that looks. And that's a gourmet mushroom smash burger. Thanks guys so much. Make sure you like and subscribe. Comments below.